Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to Siva Banking and Current Affairs Academy. In this video, I will explain the important history of banking. Friends, this is very useful for bank exams from history and any other competitive exam also. It is very important. We start. Bank of Hindustan. Bank of Hindustan was established in the year 1770. It is the first bank in India. First bank in India is Bank of Hindustan, which is in Kolkata. It is established in the year 1770, but it was dissolved in 1832. Bank of Hindustan, establishment year 1770, dissolved in the year 1832. And next one, General Bank of India. General Bank of India, it is the second bank in India, which is establishment year of General Bank of India is 1786, but it was failed in the year 1791. Please remember, important. Next, Bank of Bengal. Bank of Bengal, establishment year 1809, but the previous name of Bank of Bengal is Bank of Kolkata. Bank of Kolkata establishment year is 1806. 1806. But in the year 1809, its name changed as Bank of Bengal, and Bank of Bengal is the first presidential bank in India. Please be remember, direct question in examination, first president's bank in India. Answer is Bank of Bengal. Bank of Bengal previous name is Bank of Kolkata. Bank of Kolkata establishment year is 1806, but Bank of Kolkata name changed as Bank of Bengal in the year 1809. And one more bank is Bank of Bombay. Bank of Bombay establishment year is 1840. 1840 establishment year. It is the second president's bank in India. First president's bank, Bank of Bengal. Second president's bank is Bank of Bombay, and third president's bank is Bank of Madras. Bank of Madras establishment year is 1843, and it is the third president's bank in India. Friends, these three banks are called president's banks, and in the year 1921, these three banks are merged and form a new bank. It is known as Imperial Bank of India. In the year 1921, three presidents' bank are merged and form a new bank. The bank name is Imperial Bank of India, and Imperial Bank of India was later renamed as State Bank of India in the year 1955. Year is very important. Imperial Bank of India renamed as a State Bank of India in the year 1955 with recommendations of A.D. Gorwala Committee. Committee name important. Please remember. Recommendations of A.D. Gorwala Committee. Next, first bank with limited liability to be managed by Indians was Out Commercial Bank. Out Commercial Bank. It is the first bank with limited liability. It is managed by Indians. Establishment in the year 1881. Out Commercial Bank establishment year is 1881 in Uttar Pradesh, but it was failed in the year 1958. Please remember, static banking point of view, it is important question. First bank with limited liability. Answer is Out Commercial Bank. Out Commercial Bank establishment year is 1881 in where? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Please remember point to point Very important. Next one is Punjab National Bank. Punjab National Bank. It is established in the year 1894. It is the first bank fully managed by Indians. Fully managed by Indians. First bank fully managed by Indians was Punjab National Bank, which was established in the year 1894. 1894 year is important. Next, Central Bank of India. Central Bank of India is called India's first truly Swadeshi bank. India's first truly Swadeshi bank, or one and only managed by Indians. The establishment year of Central Bank of India is 1911. Friends, Central Bank of India is called first truly Swadeshi bank, or one and only wholly owned and managed by Indians. Remember these words: wholly owned and managed by Indians. Which bank is? Answer is Central Bank of India. And fully managed at the time. Fully managed at the time. Answer is Punjab National Bank. Answer is Punjab National Bank. And partially managed out commercial bank. Remember these words. Next, Allahabad Bank. Allahabad Bank was established in the year 1865. It is the oldest public sector bank in India. Oldest public sector bank in India is Allahabad Bank. The establishment year of Allahabad Bank is 1865. Next, first RRB means Regional Rural Bank is Prathama Bank or Prathama Gramin Bank. It is in Moradabad, Uttar Pradesh. First Regional Rural Bank is Prathama Gramin Bank. It is in Moradabad, Uttar Pradesh, which is sponsored by Syndicate Bank. Friends, sponsor bank is very important for regional rural banks, in which regional rural bank central government stake is 50%. Central government stake is 50%, and state government stake is or share is 15%. And sponsor bank, important, sponsor bank stake is 35%. Total 100%, out of which 50% central government, 15% state government, 35% sponsor bank. Please remember, direct question in examination. Next, Capital Small Finance Bank. Capital Small Finance Bank. It is the India's first small finance bank. Started banking operations in April 2016. The headquarter of Capital Small Finance Bank is Jalandhar, Punjab. India's first small finance bank. Answer is Capital Small Finance Bank. The headquarter of Capital Small Finance Bank is Jalandhar, Punjab. Next, Airtel Payment Bank. Airtel Payment Bank is the first payment bank in India. First small finance bank is Capital Small Finance Bank, and first payment bank is Airtel Payment Bank. Airtel Payment Bank is the first payment bank in India. The headquarter of Airtel Payment Bank is New Delhi. Next, first bank to introduce saving account. Friends, first bank to introduce saving account. Answer is Presidency Bank in the year 1833. In the year 1833, Presidency Bank introduced saving account. It is the first bank to issue saving account and first bank to introduce check system. Check system was introduced by first is Bengal Bank in the year 1833. Please remember, saving account introduced by Presidency Bank, check system was introduced by Bengal Bank. Both are in the year 1833. And first bank to issue credit cards. Answer is Central Bank of India. Central Bank of India is the first bank issues credit cards. Credit cards are also known as plastic money. Please remember, saving account point of view, first bank is Presidency Bank, check system Bengal Bank, and credit card Central Bank of India. Next, first bank to give internet banking facility. First bank to give internet banking facility. Answer is ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank is the first bank. It gives internet banking facility, and ICICI Bank is the first bank to provide mobile ATM. First bank to provide mobile ATM is ICICI Bank, and first bank to give internet banking facility is also ICICI Bank. Please remember, first bank to introduce mutual fund is SBI. SBI is the first bank. It introduces mutual funds, and first Indian bank got ISO certificate. Answer is Canara Bank. Canara Bank is the first bank in India which gets ISO certificate, and first Indian bank to open branch outside India. Once again, first Indian bank to open branch outside India, which is in London in the year 1946, is Bank of India. Bank of India is the first Indian bank to open branches outside India. Next, Reserve Bank of India was established in 1935. Friends, the important RBI establishment year is 1935 and Act is 1934. Please remember, Act and establishment year both are very very important. RBI, it is the Central Bank of India. Establishment year 1935 and Act is 1934. The first governor of Reserve Bank of India is Mr. Sir Osborne Smith. Sir Osborne Smith is the first governor of Reserve Bank of India. He is the Anglo-Indian. Osborne Smith is the Anglo-Indian, and second governor is J.B. Taylor or James Brad Taylor. James Brad Taylor is the second governor of Reserve Bank of India. Friends, signature on currency notes came into existence from second governor of RBI. He is none other than James Brad Taylor. And first Indian governor of Reserve Bank of India is C.D. Deshmukh. C.D. Deshmukh or Chintaman Dwaraknath Deshmukh is the first Indian governor of Reserve Bank of India, and he is the third governor of RBI after Osborne Smith and James Brad Taylor. Next, the headquarters of Reserve Bank of India is Kolkata. At the time of establishment, the headquarters of Reserve Bank of India is Kolkata. But in the year 1937, year is important. In the year 1937, it is shifted to Mumbai. Initial headquarters or initial establishment of RBI is Kolkata, and the headquarters shifted to Mumbai. Please remember, from RBI point of view, one question is definitely from any exam. Next, nationalization of banks. In India, banks are nationalized in the year 1969. In order to control over banks, on 19 July 1969, Indira Gandhi, the Prime Minister of India, nationalized 14 large commercial banks with a reserve of 50 crore. Answer is important. With 15 crore. The banks are Allahabad Bank, Bank of Baroda, Bank of Maharashtra, Central Bank of India, Canara Bank, Bank of India, Dena Bank, Indian Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, Punjab National Bank, Syndicate Bank, UCO Bank, Union Bank, United Bank of India. These 14 banks are merged in the year 1969. Friends, year is very important, and also please remember the date 19th July 1969. 14 banks are nationalized. Once again, 14 banks are nationalized with a capital of 50 crore rupees. Please remember, nationalization of banks in India takes in two phases. This is the first phase in the year 1960. Total banks are 14 with a paid up capital of 50 crore, and number of banks important, and reserve year important. Next, and in the second phase, total 6 banks are nationalized. The banks are Andhra Bank, Corporation Bank, New Bank of India, Oriental Bank of Commerce, Punjab and Sindh Bank, and Vijaya Bank. These 6 banks are nationalized in the year 1980 with 200 crore rupees. It is 200 crore. It is the capital. Later, 1993, the New Bank of India was merged with Punjab National Bank. It was the only merger between nationalized banks. Important. New Bank of India was merged with Punjab National Bank. It was the only merger between nationalized banks and resulted in the reduction. The number of nationalized banks reduced to 20 to 19. Friends, nationalization of banks in two phases, very important. Please remember. Friends, these are the important banking related affairs related to history of banking. Please subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. If you want quizzes based on this video, join my Telegram channel. Link is given in description box. Thank you.